America's Noordam, and we are about to check out cabin 1065 on Holland America's Noordam. This one here is a large Oceanview Stateroom. It's on the main deck or deck 1 and can accommodate up to 4 guests. It's not accessible, but it does connect with 1069. As we head in, you can see the large picture window there. See the seating area, the lounge. You can see the bed positioned in the center of the cabin, so there's a little bit of walking space either side of the bed, bedside tables, as well as the art on the walls. Picture window, of course, affords you views outside the ship. Turning around, you can see the connecting door there, as well as the seating area with the TV. Got 3 cupboards, we'll look at 2 full-size cupboards, I should say. Plenty of storage, and taking a quick look at the bathroom, see that it is a bigger shower than an inside cabin. Got a shower curtain there, vanity, hose, toilet. That is a bathtub, so just keep that in mind. But you can see the handrail there, 2 handrails to help you in and out of the shower. And that's it. So that was cabin 1065 on deck 1 in Noordam. Let me know in the comments below, could you see yourself spending time in this suite? Don't forget to like, drop any questions you may have in the comments. Till next time, keep cruising.